Any input or experience, including good teaching or bad, shifts the strength of connections between neurons, such that the brain is constantly changing. The ability to restructure knowledge through changes in the chemical, structural, and functional elements in the brain is called neuroplasticity. Understanding that all brains can and do change is fundamental for learning equity, having a growth mindset, and early intervention. Learning equity. One central notion of learning equity is that environment affects brain development. Research shows that achievement and opportunity gap due to differences in socioeconomic status has been widened 30 to 50% in the last 5 decades. Socioeconomic status, also known as SES, shapes neural pathways involved in some skills, such as language, socio-emotional processing, memory, attention, and other executive functions. Systems involved in such skills do show plasticity and are amenable to training, with at least short-term effects and perhaps greater effects in younger children. Early educational intervention for young children in lower socioeconomic groups could help them succeed academically and narrow the income achievement gap. Growth mindset. Growth mindset is a belief that intelligence is not fixed and that effort and practice make a difference for learning. People with growth mindsets are those who show more adaptive responses to challenge and having greater perseverance on some more challenging tasks. It is important for teachers and educators to have a growth mindset. Teachers or educators with a growth mindset will be those who are more ready for challenging teaching tasks, and they will keep on motivating students to learn despite the students' learning abilities. Early intervention. Early intervention programs are believed to effect neural change and have significant positive behavioral consequences. Early intervention is also linked to the critical period of development. In the early years, the brain experiences a process called synapsis pruning. In this process, the brain eliminates extra synapses and removes connections in the brain that are no longer needed. Some people believe that early intervention can take advantage of the neural restructuring during synapsis pruning. Early intervention is believed to contribute to the optimization of brain functions through having had adequate external environmental stimulation in the early years.